Hey everybody, my name is Katie. Today we bought the Quantum X vacuum cleaner, and the reason that we bought it is because somehow I thought it was a good idea to have a white grey rug in the lounge room. And we have a dog and he comes in and out during the day and you know, he gets on the rug. What can you do? So now we've got these stains getting picked up on the rug. The old vacuum cleaner just doesn't seem to be cutting it anymore. It's kind of still powerful, but I just don't believe that it's actually doing the best job anymore. And so I'm going to test both of them out side by side. So have a look at our rug first. So I don't know if you're able to see any of the stains or not. Probably up there towards the top area you might be able to. There's a bit of dog hair still. I haven't cleaned this yet this week. And so what I'm going to do is, this is our old Hoover, the good old trusty Hoover, and we've had this for some time. And I'm going to go over the carpet with this first, and then after that I'm going to use the Quantum straight over the top of it to see if it picks anything else up. So we've emptied the cartridge, there's nothing in there, we've cleaned it out, so I'll see how much dirt it picks up and then how much more this one picks up. Don't judge me if it's bad. Okay, it's pretty bad. Okay, to be fair, I actually haven't vacuumed this rug in probably over 2 weeks now. Oh, so bad. Stop judging me. Okay, lots of dog hair in there. Gross. Alright, it's Quantum vac time. Yep. I'm a dirty housewife. Yuck. Okay. It has picked up a lot more stuff. Yuck. Yuck. I'm sorry, Mum. Ugh, gross. Okay. So Quantum vac works.